The Paycheck Protection Program is one of the successful parts of what has been done to help Americans amid the pandemic. This is according to Texas Senator John Cornyn. He hopes another COVID-19 bill will pass like the first four. Cornyn says this could help people who need it the most.
We also have a provision in there that would provide liability protection against frivolous lawsuits.
With just 3 weeks left to agree on a coronavirus relief bill, otherwise we risk a government shutdown.
And the Senate will vote on its own version tomorrow.
CBS 4's Rocio Villalobos tells us what aid business owners can expect if the bill makes it through Congress.
Honestly, I think the best thing for the economy and for these small businesses and for schools is for people to be able to safely get on with their lives.
While the House has already approved a relief bill, the Senate is hoping to pass its own, which Senator Cornyn says will serve as an icebreaker for reaching a bipartisan agreement. One proposal aims at getting more businesses to reopen is to protect them from frivolous lawsuits.
It is provide a safe harbor for those who do against lawsuits. It would not be a blanket ban on liability. It would not protect against intentional or reckless misconduct.
New York Deli co-owner John L. Rendon says this provision would be helpful for them and other small businesses. At the start of the lockdown, they moved to curbside orders, but have reopened their dining rooms during phase 3 of Texas reopening in order to stay afloat.
We noticed a lot of people wanted to come and eat, so we had to do it. We were starting to slow down.
The restaurant was able to get a loan, which he says helped. But he says the best way for the business and its employees to thrive is by staying open.
I think that they've tried to help, like I said, with the loans. It was very easy to get, but I think that they just need to reopen places. Stimulus checks help for a little bit, but...
Since hitting a spike in mid-July, COVID cases in Texas have steadily decreased. If this trend continues, Senator Cornyn hopes all businesses can return to normal operation.
Slowly but surely, we're demonstrating that given the proper practices, hand washing, social distancing, masking, staying home when you're sick, that people can then sort of resume their lives.
While this proposed bill would continue offering unemployment benefits, the $300 weekly is half of what the House aims to provide. One similarity between the two is another round of direct payment to families earning under $75,000. Working for you in Harlingen with CBS 4, Rocio Villalobos.
Other focuses of the bill include providing more funding to healthcare workers, schools, and COVID testing.